Howdy, fellow Texans. Have you ever thought about forming an LLC right here in the Lone Star State? Well, you are in for a treat. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to help your new business succeed by saving time and money. Let's dive into some interesting numbers. Did you know that over 60% of businesses in Texas prefer to operate as an LLC? And there is a reason for that. Limited liability companies, or LLCs, are known to offer great protection for assets, flexibility in operations, and some sweet tax advantages. But here is a twist. Nearly 40% of those who start the LLC formation process on their own get tangled up in the complex web of government paperwork. Let's face it, government procedures can be slow, and navigating the maze of regulations and forms is not everyone's cup of tea. And that is where we come in. Welcome to LegalRegistration.com. Our team is proud to say that we are the #1 third-party organization in the USA that can form an LLC on your behalf. Think of us as your trusty sidekick in this adventure. While the government can be like that slow old tortoise, we are the swift hare, making sure everything's done right and in record time. Why go through the hassle and wait for weeks or even months when we can get your Texas LLC up and running in a jiffy? Hand us the reins, and we can take care of all formation steps for you, so you can focus on what you do best: running your business. In the world of business, time is money. And with us, you not only save time, but also the headaches that come with the DIY approach. So if you are looking to dive into the exciting world of entrepreneurship in Texas, remember, we are just a click away. Partner with us at LegalRegistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what industry do you plan to operate your new business in? Please leave your comment below and spill the beans on your exciting plans for the future. Do not forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your Texas business to maximum profitability.